For wastewater pipes in multi-story buildings with stacks greater than 10 meters, additional measures must be taken into account in the area of a direction change into a horizontal pipe, in the event of an offset or when connecting to the collector pipe. To avoid hydraulic malfunctions, connection-free zones must be observed. Sanitary connections in this area can only be connected to a bypass. The direction change is carried out using two 45-degree bends. In addition, a slope must be taken into account when planning the horizontal pipe. These measures require more space, and in many cases, the duct size is already predefined. The solution? Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube. The flow-optimized system ensures a continuous column of air in the entire drainage system with well-designed fittings. This eliminates the prohibited connection zones, and an additional bypass is no longer necessary. Horizontal pipelines can be installed without a slope with diameter D110 up to 6 meters in length, or with a pipe diameter from D90 to 4 meters. This provides the opportunity to make the best possible use of the available room height in the residential building. Full use can also be made of the space in the basement or in the underground car park, as the direction change bend can be routed close to the ceiling. Using the Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube also increases the drainage capacity. Even after planning has been completed, adjustments can be made in a flexible manner. While the conventional solution with a bypass pipe requires two pipes to be routed through the ceiling fire compartment, Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube with a single feed-through requires only one fire protection sleeve. Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube consists of 3 components that are added to the highly sound-insulated Geberit Silent-Pro drainage system. The Geberit Silent-Pro carve branch fitting per connecting pipe, the Geberit Silent-Pro bottom turn bend, and the Geberit Silent-Pro backflip bend. With these elements, installation becomes a lot easier. The Geberit Silent-Pro carve branch fitting introduces the inflowing water tangentially, creating a rotation. This leaves enough space for the air in the stack. The Geberit bottom turn bend is installed when there is a change of direction. The annular flow is converted into a layered flow without interrupting the air column. This change significantly reduces impulse losses compared with conventional bends. As a result, there is no need for the pipes to be laid at an angle, and the horizontal pipes can be installed without a slope. At the end of the offset, the Geberit backflip bend offsets the water in rotation again. The air column remains intact. The smooth functioning of the wastewater system with Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube was confirmed by the Independent Test Institute TÜV Rheinland. For Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube, the proven planning tools such as the Geberit BIM plugin, the Geberit Pro Planner, as well as other industry standard solutions are available. Geberit Silent-Pro SuperTube. We master space saving.